students, we are discuss about the properties of square. Here ABCD is a square, and we know that in square all four sides are equal. All four sides are equal. All four sides are equal in length. It means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Second property, each interior angle is measure 90 degree. Third, the diagonals are equal in length. The diagonals are equal in length. It means AC is equal to BD. Fourth, diagonals bisect each other at equal length. It means if we can give the O point here, AO is equal to CO and OD is equal to OB. Now students, we are discussing about the properties of rhombus. Here ABCD is a rhombus. Now according to the first property of rhombus, all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. It means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So we can write here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Now second property of rhombus is opposite angles are equal measures. Equal measures means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle B. So we can write here angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle B. Third property, opposite sides are parallel. It means AB, this indicates arrow show that parallel. This AB and CD is parallel to each other. Similarly, AD and BC is parallel to each other. So we can write here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Fourth property is very important. If we draw the two diagonals, these two diagonals are always bisect at 90 degree and bisect at equal length. It means when two diagonals drawn, these two diagonals are always perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means they are always bisect at 90 degree and the distance from O to D is equal to O to B and the distance from O to A is equal to the distance from O to C. So we can write here diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Now, my dear students, now one question is related to the properties of rhombus. Now here giving BD is equal to 16. BD means first diagonal. The length is giving 16 centimeter. AC is giving 12 centimeter. AC is the second diagonal. This is 12 centimeter. Now according to the properties of rhombus, both the diagonals always meet at 90 degree, or in other words we can say both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Secondly, both the diagonal bisect at equal length. It means the distance from O to D and O to B is same. If the length is giving BD 16 centimeter, it means they have equal two parts, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Similarly, the length AC is given 12 centimeter. Length AC, this is AC line, diagonal, 12 centimeter. They always bisect at equal length, so it will make two parts, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. By this, four right angle triangle is formed. First, second, third and fourth. There are four right angle triangles formed. The sides. Now question is find the side of the rhombus. Now to calculate the side of the rhombus, we can use any one of the triangle, and with the help of Pythagoras theorem we can solve it. Like suppose we can take this first triangle. Triangle AOD is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle we use Pythagoras theorem. In short we tell you, according to the Pythagoras theorem, base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. What is base here? 8 square. What is altitude? 6 square is equal to hypotenuse square. 8 square means 64. 6 square 36 is equal to hypotenuse square. 100 is equal to hypotenuse square, or hypotenuse is equal to square root of 100 is equal to 10. It means this hypotenuse means 10 centimeter, which is the side of the rhombus. So finally we can calculate the side with the help of using Pythagoras